Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. And in this video, I'm going to talk about gaming chairs. Now, some people have contacted me and asked me what is a good gaming chair, what brand is good, and what to look for. And this is all going to be my personal opinion and experience. I've only actually had one gaming chair, and I actually still have it today, and it's still going strong. No issues, no problems with it. It's still rather comfortable. I can sit in it for hours and not have to worry about a sore or weak back or bottom. It's very well built. And when it comes to gaming chairs, you have to be careful about what gaming chair to purchase. You have to check out customer reviews, and you have to look at the specs. You have to look at each and every option and detail about a gaming chair before you go out and purchase it. I have some pictures at some various websites that I'm going to bring up of gaming chairs. Now, this is Office Depot, and I would say that these are reasonably priced. This is actually the gaming chair that I do own. This one I've had for probably about a year and a half, and I did a review on it actually some time ago, and it's very well done, put together. It used to come in 3 different colors. I think it was there was this blue and black, which I own. There's a black and white, but there's also a red and black, but I don't know if it's still available. This is not it. Actually, this is it. Here it is right here. And I actually paid a little more than the $159 for this chair when it was on sale, but still it's worth the price. In my personal opinion, it is worth the price. One thing also you want to know about gaming chairs is that when it comes down to selecting them, you want to make sure that you actually can go to a local store and sit in them. Gaming chairs are very unique to the person who's going to be sitting in them, all the way down to the manufacturer of the chairs. Now, one of the things I like about the gaming chair I have is that these armrests actually fold up, so that they're not in your way. Unlike this particular gaming chair here, some of these have these armrests that they adjust up and down. Some of them can go forward and back, but they're there all the time. You can't like drop them down and you got free length to move your elbows or your arms out of the way or around. And now, once again, that's my personal preference, where I don't care for those. But the reason why I chose the chair that I chose is because I actually got a chance to go into Office Depot and sit in the chair when it was on display. I wasn't looking for a chair at the time, but I saw that one and I liked the color, which is what attracted me. And I sat and I was like, wow, this is a very comfortable chair. I raised it up, lowered it. It has rocking features. It doesn't have a reclining feature, which I really don't care for. I don't need that. I'm not going to be spending the night in my chair trying to work on projects. If that's the case, I'll just go get in my own bed and go to sleep. But if that's what you want, then you have to search for other chairs that have that option. Amazon is another place that, of course, everyone knows. They sell everything from A to Z, and they have a wide selection of gaming chairs. They're not too bad. You can find some really great deals on gaming chairs. You can find some good reviews on gaming chairs here. And this one has a seat back that can actually adjust if you have back issues. Most of the chairs do have adjustable height where you can raise it up and lower it down. They come in various different colors. The prices can really get up there. Like this one is $333. That's a little too much for me to be paying for. Some of them have back support if you need it, headrest support. It varies from manufacturer to manufacturer. So some of them have coupons on here. You just have to check. Newegg also has gaming chairs as well. This looks more like a barber's chair to me. I don't know, but that's just my eyesight of what I see in that. And I don't know why anybody want to pay this much for this barber's looking chair. It looks really heavy, but once again, personal preference. This is a chair where I believe you can probably recline in due to this leg rest right here. But like I said, it's personal preference. But I would say if you have a local store, whether it's Office Depot or Walmart even, or some place where they sell gaming chairs, always go to the store and sit in the chair. Get a grasp of what it feels like, how it feels to sit in the chair, and make sure you test out all the options, whether it reclines, whether you can adjust the seat back, the height adjustment, the armrest. Check out everything about the chair that you can, because you have to know that you're going to be sitting in this chair, what could be, depending on what it is that you do, for hours. And the last thing you want is for you to be sitting in a chair and you're tired within the next 30 minutes, and because the chair just isn't comfortable for you, or it's not what you expected. So if it is possible for you to go to a local store and sit in one of these gaming chairs, I recommend that you do so. Ordering a chair online is not too bad, but you have to understand you're not going to be able to test the chair's comfort before you order it. That's the only downside to ordering a chair online. So make sure that you check out the reviews online if you are going to order online, and hopefully that you will have a good experience with a gaming chair. Check out the price. Some of these have coupons. There are sales all the time on Newegg. I don't know about the gaming chair section, but you can check it out for yourself and see what they have to offer. And if you have to, ask other people who have possible gaming chairs, your co-workers, your friends, Discord friends. Ask them what they think about the gaming chair that they have, if they have one, or ask them which ones, or one that they recommend or highly recommend that you get. And also factor in any back issues you may have, any other issues that you may come across or have, and that should help you in deciding what is a good gaming chair for you to purchase. So I hope this video helps you guys out. You all take care, be safe, peace out.